Hi, my name is Chef Dean Luttrell. I'm one of the chefs featured on this season of Iowa Ingredient, and this is my daughter Edie, and we're going to show you a real easy way to make pizza dough and pizza that you can freeze and store at your home and use for later. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4.5 cups of all-purpose flour or some high-gluten bread flour, whatever you have, 1 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, 1/4 cup of olive oil, and some ice cold water. We have our 4.5 cups of flour already in our mixing bowl. All right, Edie, we need 1 3/4 salt. Where are we gonna put that? Right there? Yes? Okay. Add 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. Let's put that over there. We need to put that over there because that yeast and that salt, if they mix, the salt will kill the yeast. Then we're gonna give that a quick mix. Get all those ingredients mixed together. All right, we're gonna change our paddle attachment now and switch to our dough hook. We're gonna put in 1/4 cup of olive oil. Be careful and put that, just throw that in there, yep. Give that a little mix, and then we're gonna 1 3/4 cup of our ice cold water. Need help? I'll help you. Now we're gonna let that mix for approximately 5 minutes until all those ingredients are mixed together. All right, now I'm gonna stop it for a second, and then I'm gonna scrape down the sides. And let that go for about another 3 minutes, and I might just turn that up just to the next level, level 2. Okay, now our dough is getting there. I think we're gonna finish this process off by kneading it by hand. I'm gonna work that dough, develop it all. All right, now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take my rolling pin here. I'm gonna roll it kind of, I don't know, an oval shape. And I'm gonna cut this into 6 pieces, and this will make 6 individual pizzas out of this dough. All right, I'm just gonna take my pizza cutter, my pastry cutter, I'm gonna cut the dough. I'm gonna take each one of these and roll it into a ball. You wanna do one? Roll that into a ball. Get my tray. I'll put the balls on the tray, and I'll put this tray in the freezer just for a couple hours until I get a freeze on these balls, and then I'll take them out of the freezer, and then I'll wrap them in plastic. If I wrap them before they freeze, then the plastic will stick to the balls. All right, like I said, this is the one I made previously. This is the one we're gonna use for our pizza today. So I have my little flour, dusting flour. I'm gonna dust my area. I'm gonna put my pizza dough down and roll out my dough. So I got that about the size that I wanted to. It'll fit my pizza stone. So move my dough over to my stone. Add some pizza sauce. Can you spread that out with a spoon? While I'm doing that, while you're doing that, I'm gonna grab some cheese. All right, now we got our pizza made. We preheated a 500-degree oven, and we're gonna put this pizza in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Pizza is ready. Let's take a look. Oh wow, Edie, look at that. Doesn't that look good?
Yes, it does.
Good job. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Now we go cheers like we're chink.
Chink.
All right. Hot. All right, folks, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Enjoy your pizza. Remember, new episodes of Iowa Ingredient start April 2nd.